Parang tayo dadiretso yung dami. Walang parking.
El Matador Beach.
Ano may parking?
Okay.
One way.
One way ticket.
Ang liit lang pala.
Yan. Oh. Yan o.
shooting.
Oh,
Magsiri pa.
Jason Statham.
Oh.
Alam Statham.
Meron ka kasi pipil.
People mo. Statham.
Sino yan?
Jason Statham.
Sino yan, Titan? Gold star ba?
Wow.
Sino yan? Sino ang artista yan? Ayun o. Artista yan eh.
Saan? Ang Igoy?
Oo.
Ito, artista yun ah.
Saan?
Ang here.
Artista yan o.
Ano na ako? Gusto yun.
Busy. Hindi ka makakita.
Ano, Fast and Furious mo.
Fast and Furious nga.
Fast and Furious?
Oo, siya o.
Di ba last na yun?
May damit sila oh.
Nandito si Vin Diesel.
Di ba na last na yun?
Sakyan ni ano
Ayun na, naka-artista fan sila. Oh.
Sakyan ni Rock oh.
Dito nga.
Vin Diesel.
Dito lang, hindi
Oh, yan,
pwede.
yan.
Ito.
Daddy
Dito.
Ayun.
Gilid dito.
So, i-drop na lang kami.
This is the El Matador Beach. Oh. El Matador Beach. Kabir. This is the El Matador Beach in California. See the waves. Yeah. See. Right, El Matador. Okay.
Picture.
The El Matador mountain on the right side, on the left side. The right side is the amazing says blue say with the waves. We are here, go down in the El Matador beach. We are coming down slowly, and this is the place here, almost the beach. See the beauty, amazing, beautiful. See the sea and its waves. They are going down on the cliff. Oh, slowly but surely. See. Fishing, the beach, the El Matador Beach in Malibu. Okay, the beauty of the El Matador Beach.
Dito ah.
with beauty.
Ma-high tide, no? May art na sigat eh. Ayan na.
Right.
Sama mo yung ano.
Parang may yung background ng
Okay.
Bakit madaan? Sorry.
Eh, di, bakit pa?
Ah,
Apa yan?
Ingat pag uwi. Ayun,
going to Malibu Country
Sige,
store.
kuya.
Okay, this is the
Oh,
beach.
dito kami, dito mo silipin mo.
See?
Likod, oh. Oh, dapat.
This is the Malibu that was last year hit by the fire.
Reporting.
Yeah,
So, wala na yung susunod mo na.
Gas Abelgas.
yes. And all of the new structure has been reconstructed. And this is part of the
Dapat
fire.
meron pa.
Yeah.
Anong update dyan sa
Well,
Malibu?
Yeah, this is
Pasok.
Malibu fire hit last January. Okay, yes, the house, and this is the beach, and this is the water, and the sea, and this is the beach. So, yeah, some of them are not yet reconstructed. So, yeah.
Pagtapos nila.
So this Pacific Coast Highway in Malibu Palisade area. So, yeah, all of this on this side, on my right side is the restaurant. All has been burned, no, the house. We are in the fire. So
There was a big fire.
some of them are not yet reconstructed. There's no reconstruction. So, the fire. Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the mountain. And then because of the strong wind,
Pati yung
Yeah.
the ano,
So this
the
is the
fire went.
yeah.
It all burned.
Oh yeah, this is the house here. There's nothing left, only the post. Only the post. And some of them is not affected by the fire. This house and it's not affected by the fire. So this one, some of them are still reconstructing. This one, they are very lucky that this one was not hit by the fire before last January last year.
And then it
So
was
that-
windy, very windy.
yeah, on this one. Yeah. And this one is not, was not hit, this house. And this, some of
Nabinda.
them,
Kita
yeah.
parang tayo nasa ano, pier ng ano sa Bohol.
Nagbilaran?
Binaron. Wala
Yeah,
sa
this
port.
is the Pacific Coast Highway. Yeah, going to our house. This is from Malibu. Good. Yeah. Okay.
Wala
The,
nang nakatara dito. Na ano to ba?
Yeah.
Ghost town.
this is right here. We are,
So,
these are, yeah, this place, you see?
yeah.
Only the post, yeah, all this one was blasted out by the fire.
Dagat na, dap-dap-daping dagat na.
So this is, even though this is in
Natupok talaga,
the,
no?
in
Kasi yung bahay
the-
dito, ano, hindi
in the
masemento.
seaside, but it was due to the high winds.
Dito siguro.
It affected their house, and the flames are scattered.
Tumawid, mahangin.
Yeah, because of the wind. So lucky of them, some of them are not affected, and those who are only the post has been, yeah, this one at least.
Grabe, oh.
This is now the update. Oh, this is 1 year ago. So some of them are still evicted, still standing. Some of them are burned out due to the very hard fire of that. So
Pilipinas na Pilipinas.
that's all for this vlog.